nerd games are very simple. Each student must go their own obstacle course way. They must find and complete and answer correctly the two problems located in each of their obstacles. Thus, go to the finish line first. There, they will find one last problem, the hardest of all of the nerd games. Then they will be crowned the Nerd Game King and the 25th annual Nerd Games. There's the whistle. The 25th annual Nerd Games have begun. May the odds be ever in your nerd.
Oh, I have to find the first one. Oh, there it is. If ABCD is a rectangle, find the value of x and y. If ABCD is rectangle, the four angles should be right angles. So x equals 90 and y equals 90. Yep.
Where's that stinking problem? Where'd it go? I swear I saw it once. I'm gonna check again. There it is.
ABCD is a parallelogram. Find the value of x and y. What were the properties of a parallelogram again?
Oh, the games have begun, but it seems Chase has already found a problem. He's forgot the properties of a parallelogram. Luckily, we had a rap that talked about it just a few days ago.
Oh yeah, quadrilaterals. We gonna start with the 7 properties. If you listen up, you can learn them just like look it. Two set opposite sides parallel. Two set opposite sides are congruent. Opposite angles, two sets are congruent. Also, adjacent angles are supplementary. Diagonals share a common midpoint, and diagonals bisect each other. Let's get it, let's get it. One set opposite sides are also congruent and parallel. I can't lie. Then you have something called a rhombi. I meant a rhombus. I said the plural form. It's a special kind of parallelogram, which means the 7 properties still go down to it, fam. But it adds 3 others like this, 4 congruent sides, and diagonals bisect the opposite angles. And also, one more thing, diagonals are perpendicular. What I mean? Then we have a rectangle. It's also a special kind of parallelogram, but it has only 2 properties. 4 right angles, please. The last one is that diagonals are congruent. Then last but least, you have a square. It's also a special parallelogram, but it's the king of the parallelograms because it combines the properties of a rhombus and a rectangle. These 4 congruent sides, 4 right angles, diagonals are congruent and also perpendicular. And last but not least, diagonals bisect opposite angles. That's the key. But we're not done yet. We have a trapezoid, and it's isosceles mode too. For the trapezoid, a set of parallel sides is all you get. And the isosceles trapezoid, 2 congruent legs, 2 base angles are congruent, diagonals are congruent too. And last but not least, a kind for you. The properties is what it has. 2 sets of adjacents are congruent, diagonals are perpendicular, and last but not least, 1 set of opposite angles are congruent. That's the quadrilaterals and the 7 properties. You just learned them with me.
That's it. So I know that diagonals share a common midpoint. So that means this segment is equal to this segment, and this segment is equal to this segment. So that means 4x plus 2 is equal to 5x minus 6. So let's combine like terms. Let's add 6 to this side and subtract 4x from this side, which gives me 8 is equal to x. Look, I've solved half the problem already. That means let's box in our answers. Alright, next time. Alright, so that means 2y plus 5 is equal to y plus 7. Now, let's do what we did before. Let's combine like terms. That means minus y on this side, and do the same on this side, and then minus 5, and minus 5, which gives me y equals 2. Box in our answers, and I've solved the first problem. Thank you to the properties of a parallelogram. Now, time to find the next problem.
I have finished the first one. I'm off to the second one. What's the problem, man? Is it this way? Or is it that way? Oh, it's behind me. Oh, there it is. Oh, this is my last one. I must solve this correctly. A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Find the value of x and y. Since angle B and C should be supplementary, it should be x minus and plus 104 is 180. And if I subtract them, it's x equals 76. And then for y plus 8 and 3y should be congruent. So if I that's correct.
No, Chiyun. You combined your like terms wrong. Redo it!
Oh, ABCD is a rhombus. Their sides should be congruent. So it should be y plus 8 equals 3y. If I combine them, it should be 8 equals 2y. And divide that by 2, it should be y equals 4. I think I solved it correctly this time.
Oh, look, here's a problem. PQRS is a square. Find the value of x and y. Wait a second, I know a lot of people mess up because they don't remember that a parallelogram carries over its properties to special parallelograms like the square. So, if I know that 5x, if the diagonals bisect opposite angles, 5x must equal 3x plus 18. So I get rid of this 3x by subtracting it on both sides. And I get 2x equals 18. Now I divide to get x by itself, divide by 2, and I know x equals 9. Box in our answer, and we're good with x. Now off to y. I know that diagonals are congruent because they share a common midpoint. So that means 2y equals 10. Let's do it right under it. 2y equals 10. Let's divide by 2 to get y by itself. And we know that y equals 5. Also, finish line. I'm first. What are you talking about?
Hey, I was here first.
I was here first.
Oh, no, wait. Looks like we have a tie. But luckily, I have a special question to decide who will be the 25th annual Nerd Game Champion. Who is the better university? Texas A&M or UT Austin?
Oh, I know this answer. It's UT.
No, it's Texas A&M.
What's wrong with you? It's UT Austin. Chase is the winner. Chase is the champion of the 25th annual Nerd Games.
Here are our citations.